Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's conversation is very relatable and relaxing. Cindy and Dave talk about grocery shopping, daily routines, small awkward moments, and simple situations that many people experience in everyday life. Later in the conversation, Dave shares an embarrassing moment that happened at the grocery store, and honestly, many listeners will probably understand the feeling. Hey Dave, how was your day?
Pretty normal, actually. I just came back from the grocery store.
Oh, really? Busy there?
Yeah, a little, especially after work hours.
That makes sense.
Honestly, grocery shopping feels strangely stressful sometimes.
I understand that.
There are too many choices for everything.
That's true, actually.
I went there planning to buy only a few things.
And?
Somehow, I came home with snacks, drinks, and things I didn't even need.
That happens to a lot of people.
I think grocery stores are dangerous when you're hungry.
Definitely.
Everything suddenly looks delicious.
Especially snacks.
Exactly.
Do you usually enjoy grocery shopping?
Sometimes.
Depends on your mood?
Yeah, if the store is quiet, I actually enjoy it.
Same here.
I like walking slowly and looking around,
It can feel relaxing sometimes.
especially in the evening.
Yeah, exactly.
But when the store is crowded, I get stressed very quickly.
I understand that, honestly.
Too many shopping carts everywhere.
And people blocking the aisles?
Yes. Today, one guy stopped his cart in the middle of the aisle and started checking his phone.
Oh no.
And nobody could pass.
That happens so often.
Everyone was quietly waiting behind him.
Did someone say something?
No, people just looked uncomfortable.
That's very realistic, honestly.
Finally, he noticed and moved.
I think people become mentally tired after work.
Probably.
What did you buy today?
Mostly normal things. Bread, eggs, milk,
Responsible shopping.
and ice cream.
Ah, yes. Emotional support ice cream.
Exactly.
What flavor?
Chocolate.
Good choice.
Honestly, grocery shopping feels more expensive lately.
I was thinking the same thing.
Every time I check prices now, I feel surprised.
Yeah, even simple things cost more now.
I looked at strawberries today and quietly walked away. They looked beautiful, though,
Sometimes grocery shopping becomes emotional.
especially at the checkout counter.
Oh, yes.
My basket looks small.
But the total becomes huge.
Exactly.
That feeling is universal, honestly.
Today, I really thought I was saving money.
And?
Then the cashier told me the total.
Oh, no.
I just stood there quietly for a second.
I understand that feeling.
I started mentally reviewing every item I bought.
Like, do I really need this?
Exactly. But honestly, the workers at that store are very friendly.
That makes shopping nicer.
Definitely.
Friendly workers can change the whole mood.
One cashier there always remembers people.
Really?
Yeah, she always smiles and asks how my day's going.
That's nice, actually.
Small conversations like that feel comforting sometimes,
I agree.
especially after a long workday.
Sometimes simple kindness makes a big difference.
Exactly.
Did anything awkward happen today?
Unfortunately, yes.
I knew there was a story.
It wasn't super embarrassing,
But
still awkward.
what happened?
I was looking for pasta sauce,
Okay.
and I couldn't find it anywhere.
So you asked someone for help?
Yeah,
Well, I accidentally asked another customer instead of an employee.
oh,
And the worst part is,
what?
he actually tried helping me.
Honestly, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, but I realized halfway through the conversation that he didn't work there.
Oh no,
He was just wearing a red shirt similar to the workers.
that happens sometimes.
I felt so awkward.
What did you say?
I apologized immediately.
And?
He laughed and said it happens all the time.
See, not too bad.
Yeah, thankfully he was nice about it.
Honestly, grocery stores create strange little social moments sometimes.
That's actually true.
People are tired, distracted, hungry.
Emotionally confused.
Yeah, exactly.
Honestly, grocery stores are interesting places for people watching, too.
That's true, actually.
You can learn a lot about people just by watching them shop.
Really?
Yeah, some people are very organized.
With shopping lists and everything?
Exactly.
Meanwhile, I walk around like I forgot my entire life plan. I always tell myself I'll make a shopping list.
But you never do?
Never.
That explains a lot, honestly.
I trust my memory too much.
Dangerous decision.
Very dangerous.
Do you forget things often?
Almost every time.
Really?
I buy everything except the one thing I actually needed.
Oh, no.
Last week, I went to buy cooking oil.
Okay.
I came home with snacks, juice, bread, and frozen pizza.
But no cooking oil?
No cooking oil.
That's honestly relatable.
I realized while cooking later that night.
That must have been frustrating.
It was mostly disappointing emotionally. I stared at the empty kitchen shelf for like 30 seconds.
Processing the situation?
Exactly.
Do you usually cook at home?
Sometimes.
What do you normally cook?
Simple things mostly. Pasta, rice, eggs.
Same, honestly.
I want to cook more healthy food, though.
That's a good goal.
Grocery shopping makes me feel motivated sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, when I buy vegetables, I suddenly feel responsible and healthy.
Even if you also buy ice cream?
Balance is important. But honestly, grocery shopping after work feels exhausting sometimes,
I understand that.
especially when the store is crowded and noisy.
Yeah, after a long day, even small things feel tiring.
Exactly.
Sometimes I stand in front of shelves for too long because I'm mentally tired.
Same.
There are too many choices.
Why are there 20 different kinds of cereal?
Seriously.
I spent 5 minutes comparing 2 brands today.
Which one did you choose?
Honestly, neither. I became overwhelmed and walked away.
That's very realistic, actually.
Sometimes simple decisions feel difficult after work.
Definitely.
One thing I do enjoy, though, is finding discounts.
Oh, yes.
It feels strangely exciting.
Especially when it's something you already wanted to buy.
Exactly.
Today I found coffee on sale, and honestly, it improved my mood immediately.
Coffee has emotional power.
Very true.
Do you ever buy things just because the packaging looks nice?
Unfortunately, yes.
Same.
Sometimes companies really know how to attract people.
I bought cookies once because the box looked expensive and beautiful.
Were the cookies good?
Honestly, not really.
Oh no.
The box was more impressive than the cookies.
That's disappointing.
I learned an important life lesson that day.
Which is?
Never trust beautiful cookie packaging emotionally. But grocery stores also make me feel independent somehow.
Really?
Yeah, buying food, planning meals, managing money.
That makes sense.
It feels like a normal adult responsibility.
Even though it can be stressful sometimes.
Exactly.
Honestly, simple daily routines become meaningful as we get older.
That's true.
Things like cooking, grocery shopping, cleaning.
Small, normal moments.
Yeah,
Sometimes those quiet routines feel comforting,
I agree.
especially when life feels busy or stressful.
Grocery stores can actually feel peaceful late at night.
Oh yes,
Less noise, fewer people.
better emotional atmosphere.
Exactly.
I went grocery shopping at 10 p.m. once.
Really?
It felt strangely calm.
I know that feeling.
Soft music playing, quiet aisles.
No shopping cart traffic.
Exactly.
Honestly, that sounds relaxing.
Until I realized I forgot my wallet.
Oh no, Dave.
Yeah.
What did you do?
I only noticed at the checkout counter.
That's the worst moment to realize.
I checked my pockets like 5 times hoping magic would happen. But nope, no wallet.
That must have been embarrassing.
A little.
What did the cashier say?
Thankfully, she was really understanding.
That's good.
I apologized and left quietly.
Honestly, things like that happen to everyone sometimes.
I know, but it still felt awkward.
Yeah, I understand that.
Adult life is basically trying to remember important things.
Honestly, that might be true. Dave, do you usually shop alone or with someone?
Mostly alone.
Same, honestly.
Grocery shopping alone feels peaceful sometimes.
Yeah, you can move slowly and take your time.
Exactly.
Shopping with other people can be difficult sometimes.
Especially when they walk too fast.
Or too slow.
True.
I once went grocery shopping with my friend after work.
How was it?
Honestly, exhausting.
Really?
She checked every single product carefully.
Oh, one of those shoppers.
Yes,
Reading ingredients and comparing prices?
exactly.
Meanwhile, you just wanted to go home.
Immediately.
I understand that feeling.
What about you? Have you ever had a bad grocery shopping experience?
Not terrible, but definitely awkward.
What happened?
A few months ago, I accidentally took someone else's shopping cart.
Oh no.
Yeah,
How did that happen?
the carts looked exactly the same.
That's fair, honestly.
I was distracted and thinking about work.
And then?
I grabbed a cart and continued shopping normally.
Okay.
But after a few minutes, I noticed strange things inside.
Like what?
Baby food, cat food, vegetables I never buy.
Huh.
I just stood there confused.
Did you realize immediately?
Yeah, then I looked around and saw a woman searching everywhere for her cart.
Oh no.
I felt terrible, honestly.
What did you do?
I apologized immediately and returned it.
Was she upset?
Surprisingly, no.
That's good.
She actually laughed and said, I thought I was losing my mind.
Huh.
Honestly, grocery stores create strange situations sometimes,
They really do.
especially when people are tired.
Or distracted.
Exactly.
I think grocery shopping also changes depending on your mood.
That's true.
Sometimes it feels relaxing,
And sometimes it feels like a mission.
especially when you're hungry.
Hungry shopping is dangerous emotionally and financially.
Very true.
Everything suddenly looks necessary.
Exactly.
One time I went shopping after skipping lunch.
Big mistake.
Huge mistake.
What happened?
I bought way too much food.
Really?
My basket looked like I was preparing for winter survival. Snacks, frozen food, desserts, drinks.
Honestly, I've done that too.
Then later at home, I realized I bought random combinations of food.
Like what?
Ice cream, instant noodles, and 3 different types of bread.
That actually sounds realistic.
My hungry brain made terrible decisions.
I think everyone shops differently when they're stressed, too.
Definitely.
Sometimes, after a hard day, people buy comfort food.
Oh, yes.
Small things that make them feel better.
For me, it's chocolate or chips.
Mine is coffee and bakery items.
Honestly, fresh bakery smells are impossible to resist.
Exactly.
Grocery stores know what they're doing. The bakery section always feels warm and comforting.
Especially in the evening.
Yeah, it feels calm somehow.
I think small daily routines can become emotional comfort.
That's actually true.
Grocery shopping sounds simple, but it's part of normal everyday life.
And everyday life affects our mood more than we realize.
Exactly.
Sometimes buying food for yourself feels responsible and satisfying.
Especially when you cook something good afterward.
Definitely.
Have you improved your cooking recently?
A little.
Really?
Yeah, I'm trying to cook at home more often now.
That's good.
It saves money too.
Very true.
Eating out all the time becomes expensive.
Especially recently.
Exactly.
What's your best dish now?
Honestly, pasta.
That's a safe answer.
It's simple but comforting.
I agree.
Cooking also feels relaxing sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, after stressful work days, simple cooking helps me calm down.
That makes sense.
Quiet music, warm food, no rushing.
Honestly, that sounds peaceful.
Adult happiness becomes very simple sometimes.
Wow, that sounded surprisingly deep.
Grocery shopping made me emotional today, apparently.
You know, today's conversation feels very relatable somehow.
Really?
Yeah, grocery shopping sounds simple, but everyone experiences it differently.
That's true.
Some people enjoy it.
And some people see it as a weekly struggle.
Exactly.
Honestly, when I was younger, I never thought grocery shopping would become such a normal part of adult life.
Same.
Now I spend time thinking about prices, ingredients, and meal plans.
That's adulthood.
It still feels strange sometimes.
I understand that.
One thing I noticed recently is how much small routines affect my mood.
Like grocery shopping?
Yeah, and cooking, cleaning, organizing.
Small everyday things.
Exactly.
I think routines make life feel more stable sometimes.
Especially during stressful weeks.
Definitely.
Honestly, after work, even buying groceries can feel tiring.
I know that feeling.
But at the same time, coming home with food and cooking dinner feels comforting.
It feels like taking care of yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
That's actually important.
Sometimes people forget that small things matter too.
I agree.
Even simple habits can improve your mood slowly.
Like eating properly and resting.
Or having a peaceful evening routine.
Definitely.
I think many people are mentally tired these days.
Yeah. Life feels busy for everyone.
That's why small, peaceful moments feel valuable now.
Honestly, yes.
Even walking slowly around a quiet grocery store can feel relaxing sometimes.
Especially late at night.
Exactly.
Calm music, fewer people.
No rushing.
I love that atmosphere, honestly.
Me too.
Did your parents ever take you grocery shopping when you were younger?
Yeah, actually.
Same here.
I remember sitting inside the shopping cart when I was little.
Me too.
Grocery stores felt huge back then,
Everything looked exciting.
especially the snack aisle.
Obviously.
I used to ask for snacks constantly.
Did your parents buy them?
Sometimes.
Lucky.
Honestly, I think grocery shopping feels nostalgic sometimes now.
That makes sense.
Certain smells or songs in stores remind me of childhood.
Wow, I understand that feeling, actually.
It's strange how normal places can hold memories.
Very true.
Even now, when I see certain foods, I remember family dinners.
Food and memories are connected somehow.
Definitely.
That's why comfort food feels emotional sometimes.
Exactly.
Honestly, today's conversation became deeper than I expected.
Same.
We started by talking about shopping carts.
And now we're discussing life memories. But I like conversations like this, honestly.
Me too.
Calm conversations feel comforting sometimes.
Especially after busy days.
Yeah,
I think many people listening probably understand these feelings too.
definitely.
Everyday life isn't always exciting.
But small moments still matter.
Exactly.
Honestly, I'm trying to appreciate normal days more now.
That's a really healthy mindset.
I spent too much time waiting for big, happy moments.
I understand that.
But sometimes happiness is just eating good food at home after a long day.
Wow, that's actually very true.
Or having peaceful conversations with people you trust.
I agree completely.
Life feels less stressful when you appreciate small things.
Definitely.
Even grocery shopping feels different when you slow down mentally.
That's true. Wow, I never expected grocery shopping to become a deep conversation topic.
Honestly, neither did I.
But I enjoyed it.
Me too.
Thanks for talking with me today, Dave.
Of course.
And hopefully our listeners enjoyed today's conversation too.
And maybe feel a little more relaxed after listening.
Remember, everyday English becomes easier when you listen regularly and naturally.
And don't worry too much about being perfect.
Exactly. Just keep practicing step by step. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.